Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable call recording on any iPhone. Yes, Apple has now made this feature available for all devices. You can now record phone calls and also have those calls transcribed into notes on any device. So I'm going to show you how to enable that in today's video. Now, keep in mind that you do have to update your iPhone, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So let's jump into settings. Whether you're running iOS 17 or iOS 18, you want to go into settings. Head on over into General, go into Software Updates, and under Software Updates, you want to make sure that you go into the Beta section. So once it's done loading, you want to head on over into the Beta section here under Software Updates. Let's go ahead and click that again one more time. Just go ahead and load. Right here, you see, I can go into the Beta Updates right there, and then I can select what beta I want. You want to make sure you select iOS 18 betas, and then go backwards once, and you'll get prompted with iOS 18.1 beta. Next, you want to make sure you update your iPhone to iOS 18.1. Again, this works on all iPhones running iOS 17 or iOS 18. Now, once you're done updating to iOS 18.1, you want to head on over into settings once again. You want to go into the apps, and then you want to find the phone extension here in settings. So let's find the phone extension here in settings. Right there it is. And then you want to go ahead and enable the call recording. Right there is the option. Make sure to enable call recording, and I'm going to show you a quick demo on how this works. But again, I've already tested this on every single iPhone running iOS 18.1, including the iPhone XR, which I'll show you here in just a few seconds, and even iPhone 11 can also do the transcripts. Let's jump here into the phone. Let me make a phone call and show you how to go ahead and record a phone call and then add that transcript. So right there, once the person answers the call, I want to go ahead and tap on the button on the top left of the screen right here. I can go ahead and tap right here, and this starts the recording, and obviously you get a countdown here. The other person gets notified. Once the call is being recorded, you see here that you get your notes pops up here with the recording, and once you end, you'll be able to see that transcript directly within notes on your iPhone, and just like so. And again, this also works on iPhone XR, iPhone 11. So here's an example on iPhone XR. I can tap into the transcript here. I can go ahead and click on edit right here. I can play my transcript, view it, and also obviously edit the transcript on iPhone XR. And here's another example on iPhone 11. So let's jump into notes. Right there is the phone call test with the transcript after the phone call on iPhone 11. So yeah, it was sort of unclear if call recording was going to be made available for older iPhones, but it appears that Apple Intelligence is only required for phone call transcripts summaries. Other than that, everyone can now enjoy call recording on their iPhones with iOS 18.1. Let me know what you think about this in those comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys.